Imagine swimming in the ocean, but without the burning heat of the sun. No sunburn, no overheating, just relaxing in cool seawater under a large canopy. What if beaches had something like a floating shaded swimming pool? Today, let's explore a new beach concept that could change how people enjoy the ocean. Tropical beaches are beautiful, but there's one big problem. The sun can be extremely intense. Tourists often struggle with sunburn, heat exhaustion, and limited shaded areas. Most people end up staying on the sand under umbrellas. But what if you could stay in the water while still enjoying the shade? Imagine a large floating platform placed in shallow beach water. On top is a wide canopy that blocks the harsh sun. In the center of the platform is a square opening where people can swim. The water depth is about 5 feet, similar to a swimming pool. This creates a shaded ocean swimming area. People can relax on the floating deck, dip their feet in the water, or swim safely in the middle. It's like a floating beach lounge and swimming pool combined. The structure could be built using modular floating pontoons, the same technology used in floating docks and marinas. Companies like Candock and JetFloat already produce floating platforms capable of supporting heavy structures. The canopy frame could use marine-grade aluminum, while the roof could be made of UV-resistant shade fabric. Anchors connected to the seabed would keep the structure stable even when waves pass through. The central opening allows natural seawater circulation, making the experience feel like swimming directly in the ocean. This concept offers several advantages. First, sun protection. Visitors can enjoy the ocean without constant exposure to intense sunlight. Second, comfort. The 5-foot water depth allows most adults to stand comfortably, similar to a resort pool. Third, social space. People can lounge, swim, and relax together. And finally, it could become an Instagram-worthy attraction for resorts. Floating beach platforms like this could work in calm tropical destinations such as Boracay, Palawan, the Maldives, Phuket. These locations already attract millions of tourists each year. A shaded floating ocean pool could easily become a must-visit beach attraction. If the idea is possible, why hasn't it become common yet? There are a few challenges: safety regulations, storm resistance, environmental approvals. But with modern floating technology, these challenges can be solved. Which means concepts like this could become more common in the future. So what do you think? Would you swim in a floating shaded ocean pool like this? Could this be the next innovation for beach resorts around the world? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy exploring future travel ideas like this, don't forget to subscribe for more.